Okay, I would like to share how to make a time schedule with the Microsoft project with the Gantt chart. First, click Start, click blank page, New, and then after that, make a title, example, like this, example, and then it's A, B, C, or D. Okay, after that, take a duration, example 4 days, after that 3 days, 2 days, 2 days, 1 day. Okay, how to make the arrangement? Okay, you can put this one is the number 1 2 3 4 5. Make the arrangement. This one you take the number 2 predecessor, and then the Gantt chart will be changed like this. After you put the number 3, see the change, it will be where, and then number 4. Okay, this one the title A B C D. Okay, and then you want to show how long the schedule, you block A until D. After that, click the this cursor, the indent, click, and then it will be show how long the project start and finish. 10 days totally. It's simple. After it, you can save as, then example, the, then the name of project, and then you can save. Okay, it's simple. Learning how to make Gantt chart in Microsoft project.